Your lesson essential question is, how do we multiply factors of 9? So we're going to be multiplying again. And today we're focusing on factors of 9. Remember, your factors are the numbers that you're multiplying. So these are factors. Factors of 9 are any number that we're multiplying by 9. So 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4. And again, like we said yesterday with 2's and 5's, you can swap your factors. So you can do 1 times 9, 2 times 9, 3 times 9. You can switch them and still get the same answer or the same product. 9 is a tricky factor. So there's a few tricks I'm going to teach you today. Let's take a look at this word problem. 9 roses were put in each package for sale at the Florida Botanical Gardens annual gift and plant sale. How many roses are in 8 packages? What is this problem asking me to find? This problem's asking me to find how many roses are in 8 packages. What information is going to help me solve this problem? Okay, you probably said there's 9 roses in each package, and there's 8 packages. So we've got 9 roses, 8 times. Because there's 9 in a package, 9, 8 different times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it becomes 9 times 8. You can make equal groups to solve a multiplication problem. So I've already made equal groups for you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flowers, 1 package. Another 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've made 8 equal groups of 9. From there, you can count your groups of 9 if your counting by 9s is too difficult or if you haven't memorized your facts yet. But I want to show you some patterns for your 9s facts. So, one thing that you can do is, as you're increasing your 10s place, you're decreasing your 1s place. So 9 2 times, we know 9 plus 9 equals 18. Well, 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 4, 36. 9 times 5, 45. Notice my 10s place is going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And my 1s place is going down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Another trick is to add 10 and then subtract 1. So let's say you're really, really good at knowing 9 2 times is 18. Okay, well, if 9 times 3 is kind of tricky in your head, you know you can add 10 and then just take 1 away. So you know that 9 times 2 is 18. You can add 10, 28, and then just take 1 away and get 27. So you can write out your facts and remember your 10's place goes up by 1. Your 1's place goes down by 1. You can add 10 and take 1 away to get your 9's facts. You can draw your equal groups. which is a really great strategy, you can also draw an array, which you learned about earlier this week. There's one more trick for your nines facts, and I actually posted a video about it. It's right after this video. So if you want to check that out, it uses your hands for your nines facts. So that will help you too. And something really cool is you've already learned how to do your fives facts and your twos facts. So if you see that 2 is a factor or 5 is a factor, you already know how to solve problems like that. So you know you can count by 2s, and you already know that you can count by 5s. You're going to be practicing some of your nines facts today. So think of all the strategies you've learned for multiplication so far, and you're going to be putting them to use as you're practicing.